Hello, this is Matt with Fox Valley Plumbing. Today I want to talk to you a little bit about sump pumps and how you should be picking and purchasing your sump pump. You know, everything is budget driven. So first and foremost, you know, if you're going to try to work within a budget, start there and see what models are available that are in your budget, slightly over, slightly under. Because just because you think you're going to go to a big box store and purchase something off the shelf doesn't necessarily mean you're getting the best product for your home. There's plenty of products out there that are sold to professional plumbers that are better made than something you can get at the box store, you know, for a deal. So for other tips like this and advice on sump pumps, or if you need service or installation on your sump pump, look us up on the web at foxvalleyplumbing.com.